Everyone will stick with us versus her. Today was I guess, kind of crazy day in the market. There wasn't really much catalyst in the market other than just price action. Today, I closed the day up 394 in realized profits over on my P&L on the day, up about 1400 on the overall day, kind of bouncing back after yesterday. Yesterday was a little bit of a rough ride, but, made some adjustments, came back strong today. The market was just ripping. I'll get to some of my trades here, but I want to talk about the market. And if it's your first time here, hit subscribe. If you want to join the UVH fam, hit the links below to the Discord and options trading group on Facebook. Those are free. And if you want to learn options, we just opened up the Us versus Herd Academy. Link is below in the description as well. And do me a big favor, hit the like button. So SPY is at 379 right now. And this is what I've been looking for the last couple of days. And what I've been talking about probably for the last week or so was, we've had very, very nice, just, sideways movement, just pinging back and forth, pinging back and forth, pinging back and forth. And today we started to break towards the upside. We did come up above this candle over here. We hit a high of 379.90, and all day today kind of just, we pushed up, we gapped up, we pushed up, and then just kind of maintained, just kind of floated up. The market is just kind of figuring out what it wants to do. I mean, the NASDAQ was up 300 points, Dow was up 200 points, and, stocks kind of went crazy, especially like EV. I mean, Tesla is out of control after hours right now. It's up another like 15, 16 points after hours. It is just on an amazing run. It's blasting off here. I mean, eventually there'll be some pullback, but, we'll kind of see what will happen. So I do have some exposure to EV. I'm going to go through some of my plays here, what I did. I guess one of my regrets today is ARKK. I did sell for a 30% win, made 314 on here. ARKK, I did put on yesterday. I bought this for, was it yesterday? Day before, I guess. Let's see here. ARKK, yeah, January 5th, been holding this. I bought it for $9.26, sold for $12.40. Last mark on these bad boys, the 126, I guess, was $15.25. So I left about $300 on the table. But, for ARK, what I was looking for was very, very specific. I was looking for it to hit the 135 area. I took profits around 134. It breached, made an all-time high at 138. So, it is what it is. I mean, like in this market or any market, my goal is stay consistent. Don't get greedy. Don't fall off to FOMO. If you fell off to FOMO, let me know. And if you made money, comment below in the description, got paid. If you lost money below, comment, learned a lesson. But ARK is just kind of out of control with, the price action today. I mean, Square up, Tesla up. ARKK was just, ripping. Square was up 12 points. Tesla was up 60 points, which really helps out ARK, the innovation ETF. So I just started trading this a little bit. I really like it so far. We'll see, we'll kind of see where it goes. I didn't re-enter in a position, but that is what I'm looking for on ARK. Obviously on there, I'm looking for a dip. I'm not looking to short really anything right now, maybe until we get to February or so. I'm not really looking to short anything. And then on SNAP, I took profits a little bit early too. SNAP, let's see here. I had the 50 call. I bought it for 510, sold it for 590. I mean, SNAP had a great run. I mean, it closed at 625, so I didn't leave that much money on the table, but Snap did make a final push. And I don't know if this has anything to do why I sold this first spike this morning. I don't know if this second spike on Snap had anything to do with, like the Trump Facebook ban, that whole thing. I don't really know why it did that, but that's the only thing that was happening today. It pushed up from 51.40 up to 53, came down to the 52 area. So, I've been very conservative on trading Snap, and the reason why is because I've been buying down in here. I've been trying to sell up in here because I mean it could break 55. I just don't know when. So far over the last 3 weeks, 2-3 weeks, it hasn't. It hit 54, bounced down, hit 54, bounced down. Today hit 54 area and came down a little bit. So I'm not mad that I took my profits or anything like that. So we'll kind of see what happens. NIO, I'm in NIO as well. NIO was moving up. I mean, after that China news yesterday, so this stock is very interesting to me. I do think NIO is probably going to be making some runs here at the all-time highs, probably going to be breaching 58.60 relatively soon. I'm obviously, my opinion, not investment advice. Do whatever you want. I'm just telling you what I'm trading right now. And NIO is pushing up after hours, probably a sympathy play from Tesla. I mean, after NIO got destroyed yesterday on the China news, just got bought right back up. I mean, I can't believe how high the stock market went today. Snow, I'm trading Snow, as a lot of people know. I mean, just right out the gate, Snow just catapulted right out of here. I mean, it was crazy, from 270 right up to 300, and it's right now after hours, it's at 304, closed at 304.20. So I'm in some spreads for that. And what I'm looking for on Snow, obviously I have spreads here for next week expiration that were underwater, which are still a little bit underwater, but I am making money on these spreads that are now in February expiration. So I'm up a little bit on this, getting some money back. As you guys know, I lost money on a naked call on Snow yesterday, so I'm getting some of that back on this spike up. The reason why I sold that call is because I didn't know what was going to happen with Snow. I mean, Snow could have definitely came down to the 250, 240 level. That's what I was worried about. I mean, we've been coasting. I bought the dip. It broke the range here, 280. I thought it was going to bounce 280. It legged down again yesterday, and then today we just, we found some buyers. Nice volume on Snow. Almost 20 million volume. Things really picked up today. 10-day and 50-day are having a crossover right now. So I mean, things are, I think, for Snow. I don't know why you can't see that. Sorry, I didn't hit it. Snow here. Is now over the 50-day, over the 10-day. So this can make another push up to the 340, 330 level, which would be really great because that's where I need it up. Now, Peloton is another stock that I've been trading, and we'll talk about plug and stuff in a second. But Peloton had a great day too. I mean, they've been bleeding me dry on that. I mean, I'm still down 25% on this Peloton call, but at one point in time, yesterday, it got really, 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 really ugly. At that point, I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it on. I'm in the 150 call for next week expiration. I'm at 63 delta, so I need this to move up. About 4 more points. I'll probably make another run at 160 to break even. At this point, I'm looking to break even. I didn't want to put more money into the trade. I'm just riding the trade for what it is at this point in time. I've made my money back. I'm just pushing through, and we'll see. But the thing is, the only scary thing is there's definitely resistance here at the 155, 154 level. Close at 154, so we'll see. If it doesn't make a push tomorrow, I'll just take it off. And it was a fun run, but we rode this down. Probably should have bought more, but I just wasn't sure where the market was going to go with all the events that unfolded yesterday, if it was going to be more of a threat or not. So I just kind of sat still. And sometimes the best course of action really is to do nothing. Really, DoorDash. So DoorDash, also been eyeing, like I said, it's been pinned to the 140 range. Today, finally broke out, hit 154 on DoorDash, and it's just been sitting here for multiple days now. And today's breaking to the upside. I mean, can it hit 160? I mean, I think it can, but we'll see. We'll see if there's sellers up in here. Now, DoorDash, this is a bad mark because the volume isn't that great, bid and ask, but I think I'm up maybe like 100, 150 on this trade right now, not actually down 100 because I am short the 150, 144, 145 contracts. So as you can see here, if you're looking at the volume for February, really low volume, not even 100 volume. So people are not really trading these. That's why I went to be a premium seller. I felt like I got a good price, and we're just gonna ride some short and some premium in DoorDash right now. Plug also had an amazing day. I know a lot of people were trading that. I did not trade that. They had a massive upgrade, and it is just booming. How's business? Booming. It's up to 48.50. I think I'm a little bit more energetic than usual on this video, just because the market was just very, very exciting, just crazy. plug right now. I mean, I'm obviously not going to be chasing this, kind of see what happens with it, if we get some nice pullback, or if not. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, there's so many places to make money in the market right now. You just kind of have to hang on. I mean, Roku was up $36, up 10% today. I mean, it's making a push for 400, just crazy. So if you watch this video, then let me know what you're trading in the comments below. As always, stay safe, stay green. It's us versus herd.